I often get asked about why I started my business, and I always reply by saying that it started by accident and I wish I had a better story. But sometimes the simplest ideas are the ones that have the greatest impact. 7 years ago, I went to a new country on a whim. Without a plan and without an agenda, I had no expectations to live up to and nothing specific to accomplish. But I felt a calling, and so I went. I was wandering through a village in Indonesia, and I met a woman at a small market. She was shy and sweet and very proud of her work. Her products were unlike anything I had ever seen, so of course I bought her jewelry. I think I bought over 20 pieces, maybe more. What I didn't realize at the time is that I was investing in her, showing her that what she had spent her whole life perfecting was valuable and had meaning. I learned that more than half of this population lives on less than $2 a day, and almost 80 million children live in poverty just in Indonesia alone. In this beautiful island nation, there were so many people hurting. But I worked an office job almost 10,000 miles away, and I thought, how was I supposed to do anything about this? That's when I had a crazy idea. I found the purpose of my visit. But really, what was crazier than seeing a problem and doing nothing about it? I came home with the pieces I bought from her, the pieces that I had loved so much, and I sold them. It was a test. I wanted to see if others fell in love with these styles as much as I did. The jewelry I had originally bought for myself was now paving the way to create a fashion brand for good. Today, I Thought of You works with many artisans in Indonesia, and with groups in 6 more countries as well. We now purposefully set out to find new partners and create eco-friendly products using the materials they have abundant in their regions. We're showing why fair trade matters, and customers are showing that they care about the person who made their style. And that's when I realized, my job isn't to sell accessories, it's to tell a story. This is the better story that I had hoped for, because these styles are creating quality of life. They're providing steady work and a steady paycheck to hardworking people who never thought that was possible. This story began by changing the life of one woman, who could now afford clean drinking water and schooling for her kids. Our story has grown to create a movement, and it's paving the way to create a world in which we can all have a positive impact. Join us on our mission to spread hope.